Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a delicious welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make my guava pastry. Very simple. As you can see, we're going to cheat. We're going to use these puff pastries. What I like to do is to roll it just a little bit because we don't want it to puff up too high. So I'm just going to roll them up just a little bit, not too much, like that. Okay, so that should be good. All right, once you roll them out, they have lines going down the middle. You just want to go ahead and cut them, and you can make them as big or as small. So I'm gonna make them about, let's start off this big. Okay, and then just eyeball it. So, and another way you can do it is you can do like a big square if you want to make a nice triangle, and then come down the middle like this. So we're going to do different shapes. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of them and I'll come back. We cut our puff pastries. So now you're going to use any guava paste. Okay, this is what it looks like if you're not familiar with it. And I'm going to just cut just a little piece off. I don't like when it's too much guava in the pastry, so I'm just going to cut off just a small piece like this. And as you can see, mine are going to be like little mini pastries, not too thick, but if you want, you can make yours big. Okay, so we're going to put our guava in the middle like this, and you're going to put some water on the edges because you want your pastry puff to stick. Okay, because you don't want, as it's baking, you do not want it to open. So you're going to go ahead and place it on the side and just kind of squeeze the edges, the ends together. Okay, just like that. It should stay. You should not have a problem. So we're done with one. Okay, and this is the plain guava and cheese. I'm sorry, guava. But if you want cheese, I'm going to go ahead and make this one a guava and cheese. So you're going to go ahead and take a piece again, put it on your puff pastry, and then you're going to take some cream cheese, a little, as much as you want. But we want to make sure everything is nicely balanced, so you don't want to put too much. So I'm just put a little bit of cream cheese on top of here like this. We're going to close it up just like we did the other one. All right. And here you have your guava and cheese. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm all done. I have my oven was preheating at 350 degrees. So I'm going to allow these to sit in the oven until they puff up and get a nice golden brown color. Once they come out, I'll show you exactly what it looks like. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you our fabulous guava pastries, guys. They are amazing. If for whatever reason you do not like guava, that's okay. You can fill it with whatever you like. Sweet or savory works with this puff pastry. Until next time, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Absolutely delicious.